What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2024 Chevy Equinox. Like I said, it's a 24 Equinox in this video, but it would be the same on several different years. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement cabin air filters if you're in need. So the cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, I'm going to open the glove box. Then if we take a look on the right hand side, we see this latch right here. What I'm going to do to pop this off is just get my thumb on it like this and pop that off. Now I'm going to fold the glove box down, but there's two stops that are preventing it from coming down. You can see one right here that I'm touching with my finger, and there's another one just like it on that side. So what I'm going to do is push in from both sides of the glove box to the center like this, and that's going to allow those stops to clear, and the glove box will fold down. Now taking a closer look in here, this is going to be the access door to our cabin filter right here, and there's two screws holding it on. You can see one on each side, and these are going to be 7 30-second sockets. 7 30-second. So I'm going to go ahead, grab my socket, I'm going to remove those two screws, and then I'll check back in the next shot. So I just finished removing those two 7 30-second screws that we looked at in the previous shot, and now we can go ahead and open this filter access door. So there's two clips holding it on, one on each side. And these clips will just push in like this, and then you can pick up on the door. Same thing over here. Push that tab in, that little clip, and then pick up on the door. You have both your hands free, you can do those both at the same time. But once we get that access door flipped up, we can see our actual filter right here. And the filter will just slide out of here like this. Now, when you install your new filter, you want to make sure that you're paying attention to these airflow arrows. You want your airflow arrows pointing down towards the ground. Airflow arrows pointing down. So go ahead and slide your new filter in. Again, with our airflow arrows pointing down. Slide the filter all the way in, and then we can close this access door and snap it shut. Make sure those two tabs on the side lock into place. And then you'll want to go ahead and throw your two 7 30-second screws back in. I'm going to do that after the video just to save a little bit of time. After we get our two screws in, then what we can do is just pick up on this glove box. And this glove box is just sitting on these hinges. So if it comes off like that, that's fine. All you need to do is just go ahead and line those 4 hinges up right there and there. And that's just sitting on there like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and just pick this glove box up until those two stops clear. And it'll hold itself up like that. And then the final thing we need to do is come over here and reattach this dampening latch. And that will just push on there like that. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.